Welcome back to the show. Today, we're talking about something every serious contractor in South Africa needs to understand, the CIDB. If you're in construction, tendering, or planning to do government projects, this one is not optional. So, let's start with the basics. What is the CIDB? The Construction Industry Development Board, commonly known as the CIDB, is a statutory body established by the South African government. Its purpose is to regulate and develop the construction industry. It ensures that contractors working on public sector projects are graded, registered, and capable of delivering quality work. In simple terms, CIDB is the system that determines who qualifies to do government construction projects and at what level. What does CIDB regulate? CIDB regulates contractors who want to work on public sector construction projects. That includes projects for municipalities, provincial departments, state-owned entities, and national government departments. If you want to build roads, schools, hospitals, bridges, government offices, water infrastructure, or housing for the state, you must be registered with CIDB. It does not regulate private construction projects in the same way, but if you want access to public tenders, CIDB registration is mandatory. What is a CIDB grading? CIDB uses a grading system to rank contractors according to their financial capability and track record. Grades range from Grade 1 to Grade 9. Grade 1 is the entry level. It allows you to tender for smaller projects, typically to a limited value. Grade 9 is the highest level. It allows contractors to tender for projects of unlimited value. For example, a small startup construction company with little or no track record may start at Grade 1. A well-established civil engineering company with a strong financial history and completed projects may qualify for Grade 7, 8, or even Grade 9. Your CIDB grade directly determines the maximum value of projects you are allowed to tender for. What are CIDB classes of works? CIDB also categorizes contractors by class of work. This means you are graded based on the type of construction you specialize in. Examples include general building for houses, schools, and offices, civil engineering for roads, bridges, and water infrastructure, electrical engineering for power installations, mechanical engineering for HVAC systems and industrial installations. You can be graded in more than one class of work depending on your company's capability and experience. Who needs CIDB registration? Any contractor who wants to tender for public sector construction projects must be registered with CIDB. For example, if you want to build RDP houses for a municipality, you need CIDB registration. If you want to bid for a road construction tender issued by the Department of Transport, you need CIDB registration. If you want to install electrical systems in a government hospital project, you need CIDB registration. Without it, your tender submission will be disqualified. What happens if you operate without CIDB registration? If you submit a tender for a government project without CIDB registration, your bid will not be considered. In some cases, misrepresenting your CIDB grading can result in penalties, blacklisting, or legal consequences. Please subscribe and hit the notification icon so you never miss anything from us. Why is CIDB important? CIDB protects the public sector from awarding contractors to incapable contractors. It ensures that companies handling taxpayer-funded projects have the financial strength and experience to complete them. It also creates a structured growth path for contractors. You start small, build experience, improve your financial strength, and move up the grading system over time. For contractors in South Africa, CIDB is not just paperwork, it is your passport to government construction work. If you want to build for the state, you must understand your grade, your class of work, and your compliance status. And that's the foundation of CIDB.